Did you know there are at least 10 different ways that you can make $100 per day with Amazon as an affiliate marketer? In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 of my favorite ways that you could potentially make $100 per day with Amazon. So watch this entire video if you are an Amazon affiliate and you're not making $100 per day yet. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, there's a lot of opportunity over on Amazon, and I think a lot of people are missing out on that opportunity. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna expose those opportunities. I'm gonna help you find different fun and easy and cool ways to make money with Amazon. So let's go ahead and talk about the first way. Now, the first way is probably the old and boring way that everybody knows. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jump over to Amazon, and I wanna show you a product that a lot of people are talking about, and you can use this product to gain entrance into a very competitive market. That's why I say that I don't believe in a saturation or oversaturation when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, one of the most competitive niches out there when it comes to affiliate marketing is the health space. A lot of people want to lose weight and they want to get fit, and there's a lot of people creating content in that space. However, if you do it this way, it's going to be a really good opportunity to build both a short-term business and a long-term sustainable business. So let's take a look at my computer. And what we're going to see here, one of the products I looked up is the Climate Ice Bath Tub. Now, we don't really care about the bathtub, we care about this keyword. A lot of people are looking up this ice bath. A lot of people are talking about ice baths, both on TikTok and other places. And so this could be a really good opportunity to start creating content. What we can do is we can simply grab the name of the product and we can go over to YouTube and paste it right in and then type in review after. Now, what we see here is this video. I bought 7 ice baths. These are the best. 219,000 views from just 6 months ago. But you're gonna say, Alston, this guy has 65,000 subscribers. I don't have anywhere near that. If we scroll down just a little bit, look at this one. Building a DIY cold tub. Look at the one below it. A Polar Recovery Tub Portable Ice Bath Review. 158 subscribers, 6.4 thousand views. And then you can even see right here, he has his affiliate link right over to Amazon. So if just 10% of the people purchase this ice bath, he is doing decent for himself. Now, what I want you to understand is that when people find a product or they see a product on social media, they don't immediately just go out and buy this product. What they do is they will copy the name of the product like I did, and they're gonna paste it right into YouTube to see reviews. They're gonna type in review, they're gonna type in unboxing, they're gonna type in first impression, and you can create this type of content and get lots of views. But look at this one. Polar Recovery Tub, the world's first portable ice bath, 6,000 views from just 4 months ago, 129 subscribers. And you can see this happening again and again and again. Tiny subscriber following, huge views because a lot of people are talking about ice baths. Now, what you can do from here is you can create an entire YouTube channel about weight loss and getting fit. That would be your niche. Now, you don't just have to relegate yourself to this. You can basically do the same thing with all sorts of products over on Amazon. But this is a great way to get up and running if you don't have a following, as you saw again and again and again, tiny subscribers, lots and lots of views. So that's just way number 1. Number 2, and I think I've talked about this before, is creating videos that show up already on Amazon. Now, this is such a cool opportunity because these people, they know the product they want to buy, they know the solution, they're already on Amazon. And so a lot of the problems, the hurdles that affiliate marketers can run into is already eliminated. In the past, you had to create content somewhere, maybe on YouTube or a blog or even on TikTok. Then you had to get them to go over to Amazon and then buy the product. Now we can actually skip the middleman, create content right over on Amazon and get clicks and buys. Now, this is with the Amazon Influencer Program, but this actually works out very, very well. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to create content, whether it's a review, an unboxing, first impression, a setup, something with regard to the product. You put it inside of the Amazon Influencer Program, and then it has the potential to show up on this on this page. Now, you can do this with anything. You don't just have to do this with with products. You could do this with like dishwashing liquid. You could do this with garbage bags. You can do this with literally any household item, anything that you buy. And the cool thing is it doesn't have to be purchased from Amazon. You could purchase it from Target. As long as it's sold on Amazon, you can do this. And just to show you that this is in fact possible, if we listen to this video, or if we watch this video, I don't know if I've got the audio set up, but if we listen to this video, this person is named Alston G. I don't know if you guys know anybody by the name of Alston G, but this video is a 30-second video, a 26-second video, where I'm just doing a quick review of this garbage bag. So how crazy is that? This is something that anybody can do. You don't have to do tech. You don't have to just try and compete for the big things. Literally anything that you buy from Amazon or anything that is listed on Amazon, you can do a review for and potentially make money. But you can see this is a really simple, really easy thing that anybody can do. But that is way number 2. Way number 3, we're actually going to jump right into my phone here. And I want to show you something called Amazon Live. Now, right now, this is only available for people that have an Apple device. Now, basically what you can do is you can go live. Now, in full transparency, I haven't gone live yet, but this is something that literally anybody can do. What you're going to do is you are going to add products to your little shop here. For example, I can just add, let's say I'll add this pellet smoker, for example, these pellets. I add it to the live stream, and then I can go live right on Amazon, and I can pick up people that are just browsing. And it's really as simple as that. Now, I see people going live every day. And again, this eliminates a lot of the hurdles that old affiliate marketers had to go through. Again, with affiliate marketing, people in the past had to create content that was engaging. Then they had to get people to take that next step, which essentially was to get them to click on the affiliate link, go over to Amazon or wherever, and then ultimately buy the product. Now, if you're doing it this way, people are already on Amazon. They are already in the buying mode. Some of them are probably browsing, but they're in the buying mode, and they just watch your video, they click on the product that you're talking about, they add it to the cart and they buy, and you can earn a commission. Now, again, this is something that I'm going to do more frequently just because it's relatively easy. You can see I've got this coming up, and there's different levels. So this is really interesting. Now, again, I'll do a video on this later as I get more into it. I don't know a ton about it, but I see people on live all the time. I always wonder what they're talking about, what they're doing. But this is a really cool thing as well. But you can see here, lots of opportunity on Amazon, and you simply just need to create content and go live. Now, what I recommend that you do when it comes to making money with Amazon, or really in general, pick one of these processes and go all in. Don't try and do all of it at one time. You're going to get burnt out. So I'd recommend that you pick one. Maybe you do the old way to start. Once you get comfortable, you start getting some success, you start finding some success, then add in something else, okay? That is, in my opinion, the best way to go, just so that you're not getting yourself burnt out, you're overwhelmed, and then, you quit too early. Now, that is the next way, going live on Amazon. Now, another way that we can talk about while staying in our app is Amazon Inspire. Now, I did a video about this a while back, and Inspire, if you look at my screen here, is this little light bulb that we can click. Now, Amazon Inspire is basically like TikTok and Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts, except these people can buy right from the app. And it's really, really simple. You can click this plus sign up here to create a new video. The other cool thing with this is you could actually just do images. So you could do a photo or a photo array and post it on Inspire. People buy it and you earn a commission. Now, again, it can't be really any simpler than this. People are just swiping through just like they would on TikTok, but these guys are already in the buying mode. Now, if you're consistent with this, you do 2 or 3 videos per day, you can be very successful. If we click these 4 squares at the top right here, you can actually browse by your interest. So if I was interested in camping, you will see camping related stuff. And some of these guys actually earn commissions. You can see this is Amazon Camping Essentials. This is actually an image. This isn't even a video that this person created. So what you could do, and if we look at simply Simply Nova here, she just does images of different things. You could actually put together images in a niche and then break them down individually like this person does, and she actually earns commissions. So again, if you don't like creating content, you don't want to create content, this might be the best way to go. And it's really simple, okay? It's not easy. It's going to take consistency and persistence, but it is simple. If you look at this, that's all she's doing. She puts together this image, and then you scroll down, you click on this, it takes you right over to the product. If I were to buy this lantern, she earns a commission. How cool is that? Okay? How cool is that? It's really simple. It's not easy. It's going to take consistency and persist. You can do this. If you are Amazon, if you're an Amazon influencer, you can do this. You create an idea list and you can be up and running in no time. Again, you do 2 or 3 of these per day. It shouldn't take you longer than 10, 15 minutes to do 2 or 3 of these per day. And before you know it, you start earning some commissions. Those are the 2 ways that we take a look at in my phone. Now let's jump back into my computer and we're going to take a look at another way that I really, really like. This way is actually with Amazon coupon codes. Who doesn't love a discount? Everybody loves a discount. And if you can provide, you can show them a discount, a way for them to save money, they are going to buy from you, or the chances of them buying for you are going to increase. So basically what you can do is once you are in the back office of Amazon Associates, go up to promotions and come down to Amazon promo codes. Now, these are different codes that product owners enable, and you can actually break them down by category. But what we're going to do is we're just going to look at home improvement. You can click on this, and then you can actually see what the discount is. Now, the way that I've seen this work the best is people over on TikTok will create videos like, hey, I've got a brand new discount where you can receive 70% off of an air conditioner. It's hot outside. You want this discount. Then they talk about the air conditioner. They talk about the reviews, the ratings. And then they say, hey, look, if you want the 70% off discount, go get it from my free Facebook group. And then they'll have a link to their Facebook group in their TikTok bio. They will get people to click and then they come and buy. Or they click on their affiliate link, they enter in the promo code and they buy. But getting people to click is there's so many different ways to be successful over on Amazon. Again, this is going to take consistency and persistence in order to be successful. So I believe that's the 5 ways. Just to recap really quick, you can do the boring old way that still works out very well. Number 2 is Amazon Inspire. That's that TikTok competitive. Number 3 is going live. Number 4 is actually creating little mini advertisements or commercials that show up on the product page. And then number 5 is with the Amazon promo codes and discounts. Those are 5 simple ways that you can make $100 per day with Amazon. It's not easy. It's going to take work, but this is probably one of the best opportunities that are out there in 2023 going forward. Make sure that you jump on them, be consistent, be persistent, and you can start finding success. Now, you find a little bit of success, you keep going, that little bit can snowball into a lot of success. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.